Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Polka Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Polka Wallet application on your smartphone and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After you have logged into your account, you will be taken into this home page where you will be shown all of your assets. Now from this page, in order to change your password, tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner and you will be taken into your settings page. Now from this page, tap on your user account and you will find the option to change your password. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now be asked to enter your new password. Go ahead and type in your desired new password in the top section, followed by your new password once again to confirm it. Then you can tap on the save button and this will now change your password on the Polka Wallet application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Polka Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.